fun. From sunny days to rainy skies, we'll learn together, so open your eyes.
Rainy weather types with animals, running with a splash, jumping in puddles with a big bull dash, with water all around in a muddy track. Rainy rhinos fun is coming back. Sunny lion with a dash, roaring in the sun with a powerful flash. With a golden mane, shining so bright, sunny lion loves the warm sunlight.
Rainy rhino with a splash, sunny lion with a dash. Let's learn the weather, come and see, with animals as our guide. Let's be free.
Windy eagle soars so high, flapping his wings and cutting the sky. With the breeze beneath and the clouds so far, windy eagle flies like a shining star. Cloudy owl with a gentle hoot, perched in the trees, looking cute. With soft clouds floating up so high, cloudy owl watches the sky go by.
Windy eagle soars so high, cloudy owl with a gentle sigh. Let's learn the weather, come and see, with animals as our guide. Let's be free.
Snowy polar bear with the slide, slipping on ice with a joyful glide. With fur so white and paws so cold, snowy bear loves the snow so bold. Stormy wolf howls at the sky, with the wind blowing by, oh so high. With a loud and wild ah woo, stormy wolf knows what to do.
Snowy polar bear with a slide, stormy wolf howls at the sky wide. Let's learn the weather, come and see, with animals as our guide. Let's be free.
Foggy cat with eyes so bright, strolling through the mist, a quiet sight. With soft paws and a gentle purr, foggy cat loves the blur. Hot kangaroo hops in the sun, bouncing and jumping, having fun. With a warm breeze and the sun so bright, hot kangaroo feels just right.
Foggy cat with eyes so bright, hot kangaroo hops in the light.